Oh, oh, gotcha. Oh man, nice peacock, nice peacock, nice peacock. Oh, he's got some shoulders. Shiner. Oh, a male, another male. He's decent. See how I worked him up here slowly? Yeah, he's like 16, 17 inches. Inches. I'll say this, he's fat. He is fat. He's not gonna like this. That's a pretty fish. I never like that part. Oh yeah, gotcha. Just through the lip. Perfect. Nice. Yeah, he's a couple, 2.5 pounds, Ben. Look. Yeah, see? He's nice. He's nice. Okay. Okay, I'm watching. You... How do I get it up? Oh, okay. Easy. Okay. Just keep the rod tip up. Oh, man. Bring him over to the beach here. Oh, boy. Okay.
What do I do? Pups didn't help me?
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm trying to get up the shore.
I'm coming. I got it. Man, they do live here.
I'm trying to get up the shore, Papa. Take my rod.
Yeah, you just come. That's another man.